Guys, I'm Jasmeet, and in this video we are going to discuss how can you disable file editors or file editing in WordPress. So here we are on the test website, and the first thing that I want to show you is the file editors in WordPress. There are two file editors in WordPress. The first one is the theme file editor and the second one is the plugin file editor. Now if you are using a customizer based theme such as Cadence, Astra, Hello, Ocean WP, or for that matter any theme, then you will come across the theme file editor under appearance. Let me show you. This is the appearance option and here is the theme file editor. Similarly, the plugin file editor will be under the plugins option. So this is the plugins option and this is the plugin file editor. Now in case you are using a block theme, then you will come across both of these file editors under the tools option, which is this one. So what we are going to do right now is we are going to head over to themes and I am going to activate this 2023 block theme. So let's just activate this theme, and you can see the option of the plugin file editor and theme file editor are missing from the appearance and the plugins option, and you will find them under the tools, right? So you can see at the bottom theme file editor and the plugin file editor. Now what we are going to do is we are going to disable both of these file editors in WordPress, and we will be using the free version of the solid security plugin. Okay, we are using the free version, right? Not the premium version, the free version. Okay, this is the plugin that I basically use on all my sites. This is probably one of the first plugins that we install. Now to disable the file editor or file editing in WordPress for that matter, what we are going to do is we are going to click security option right here. So the plugin is already installed and set up. This is again one thing that I want to tell you. When you set up the solid security plugin, this automatically disables the file editors in WordPress. Okay, this plugin will automatically disable this feature, but just to show you these file editors, what we did was we actually deselected this option. Right now what we are going to do is we are going to show you how you can use this plugin to disable file editing in WordPress. So for that, what you are going to do is you're going to click the security option right here. Right, this will show you this settings option. You are going to click this option and then it will show you these global settings and a bunch of settings on the left. Right here we are going to click advanced and it will show you system tweaks, WordPress tweaks, and hide backend. Here we are going to select this WordPress tweak settings option. Click this arrow right here and it will show you the disable file editor option, which is this one. So what we are going to do is we are just going to select this option, scroll down, click save. That's it, what we are going to do. Now you can see the tools option, under the tools, the theme file editor and the plugin file editor still exists because we are using the block theme right now. So what we are going to do is I'm just going to refresh this page right here, and under the tools you are not going to find any of the file editors. So we have successfully disabled the file editing or the file editors in WordPress. Now under the appearance, again the option is missing, and the plugins, the option is missing. Now what we are going to do is we are going to head over to themes again and we are going to activate this Cadence child theme. So this is the customizer based theme that we were using before, and you can see the theme file editor is missing from the appearance menu, and so is the plugin file editor missing. So we have successfully disabled the file editors or the file editing feature in WordPress. This is an easy way to do this. There is a code snippet again available, but I'm not going to share that code snippet with you for right now because at times it confuses the beginners. This is a very good plugin that you can use and easily disable these security features on your WordPress website or blog. Very easy way to do this. This is probably the plugin, as I was mentioning in the introduction, that I first install on any website for security purposes. So this is a fantastic plugin. Link to it is in the description box below. This is the free version that we are using. In case you want to use the premium version, then you can read more about it and go from there. I use the pro version on several websites. Right, on my website I use it. Okay, so this is the plugin for you. In case you have any queries regarding this tutorial, you want to ask anything about the plugin, feel free to contact me, comment down below, and I will most definitely help you out. Okay, with that said, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on that post notification so that you receive the future updates or releases of videos that we do.